Hello po, this is Aning. Tingnan niyo po, ang galing-galing ng aking ginawa. So, I'm gonna transfer them. Seedlings po ito. Yan pong malaki is the ampalaya. Yung pong iba, itong maliliit is the kamatis. At saka ito po ay, oh boy, nakalimutan ko po. Pero anyway, I'll come back to that. And this is po yung malunggay. We have to plant this right now kasi pag summer, kailangan lumaki na siya at kailangan malaking-malaki na para when it comes to winter time, hindi na siya basta-bastang namamatay tuwing winter time kasi malaki na eh. And you have to keep them inside the house kasi ang house po ay hindi masyadong malamig. And then, ayun nyo po acclimatize, ano ba yan? Nabubulol ako. So, ayun nyo po yung ma-change yung climate niya. Baka mamatay din siya. So, you have to be careful in growing them. So, ang ginawa ko lang po dito ay tissue and then the growth hormone. And then actually this one, I just put it yesterday. And look at this. It's starting to sprout out. Diba no? At saka ito po ang the malunggay. Or we call it moringa in English. I just discovered na moringa is malunggay. So, we call this plant as miracle plant. But as a Christian, miracle happens only when God did it. Okay? So, ito lang po for now. Okay, thank you and goodbye.